Children, today we are going to learn Standard 7 subject Maths, chapter number 7, joint bar graph. So today we are going to discuss about the joint bar graph. Where we have to use the joint bar graph? Joint bar graph we are the using for the comparison. Now let's see the sums. Practice set 31. Question number 1. The number of saplings planted by schools on a word tree day is given in the table below. Draw a joint bar graph to show these figures. Here school name and name of the saplings is given. So here is a Nutan Vidyalaya and the Bharat Vidyalaya. Two Vidyalayas are given. Now first almond trees, next currant tree, afterwards neem tree, ashok tree and the gulmohar tree. For the Nutan Vidyalaya is given 40, Bharat Vidyalaya is given 42. Now this one is a Nutan 60, here is a 38. Now here is a 72 neem trees, 60 neem tree here. Now 15 Ashok tree for the Nutan Vidyalaya and the Bharat Vidyalaya 25. For the Gulmohar plant 42 from the Nutan Vidyalaya and the 40 for the Bharat Vidyalaya. Let us draw the joint bar graph. First we have to draw x-axis and the y-axis. On the x-axis we have to write here, take the 2 box almond tree, next leave the 1 box, again currant, next take the 2 box for the neem tree, leave the 1 box. Similarly we have to draw on the x-axis. Now on the y-axis we have to write number of trees. Now very important, we have to take the scale. So here if scale we taken from here, 1 box is a 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on the y axis. So here write down first scale. Scale on y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 trees. Now Nutan Vidyalaya we are going to represent by this graph and the Bharat Vidyalaya we are going to represent this graph. Now let we start to draw the graph. First Nutan Vidyalaya is given the 40. So we have to take this half box, means 1 box for the Nutan Vidyalaya. So what given? 40. So first draw the 40 tree. So this is we have to draw 40. Now next is a given Bharat Vidyalaya is a 42. So here till here we have to draw the 42. Now we have to take a Nutan Vidyalaya this part. So we have to do it the whatever this box with the line. So this first part is shown the Nutan Vidyalaya and this part blank part is shown the Bharat Vidyalaya. Similarly we have to construct the next for the currant tree. So first Nutan Vidyalaya is a 60. So we have to mark here, this one is a 60 and then we have to draw the graph. So this is the for currant tree. Next is a given what? Bharat Vidyalaya 38. So 38, this is a 35, this is a 37.5, this is a 38. So this is the one graph for currant tree 38 for the Bharat Vidyalaya. Next this part just show like this. So this one is just shown what? Nutan Vidyalaya, that is a 60 and the Bharat Vidyalaya, that is a 38. Now come to the neem tree. For the neem tree, that is a 72. So this one is a 70 and the here 4 box. So that is a 72. Draw the graph for neem tree. Next for the Bharat Vidyalaya is a 60. So this one we have to 60 mark out and draw the graph for the neem tree. Nutan Vidyalaya, this one is a just shade the graph. This one showing the neem tree for the Nutan Vidyalaya, and this is the shown the what neem tree for the Bharat Vidyalaya. Now next one is a 15. Ashok tree is a 15 and the Bharat Vidyalaya shown the 25. So this one is a 15. We drawn the neem tree graph. Now similarly we have to draw the Ashok. So what given here for the Ashok 15 tree for the Nutan Vidyalaya and the 25 for the Bharat Vidyalaya. So this one show by the shade. This is about the Ashok tree. Now similarly we have to draw the graph of a Gulmohar tree. So what Nutan Vidyalaya is a 42. So this one is a 42 and the Bharat Vidyalaya is a what 40. This one shade. So this is about the what Gulmohar tree. This is this way we have to draw the joint bar graph. Thank you very much.